Hello, I'm Philip Weber, Product Line Manager for Belden. Belden's data and network applications connect OT assets through a flexible, scalable, and secure data integration layer to digital services. What we're seeing here is a demo of our CloudRail service that connects all type of industrial sensors that support I/O link, like vibration, temperature, or distance, to an I/O link master. And from this I/O link master, we're gathering the data through this edge gateway, transform it, and send it directly to the cloud. What our customers need to do, they need to wire up the sensors. If you want to measure the performance of your machine or some damages in the main motor, you use vibration, for example. With distance, you can count assets or see if your production process is running correctly. Everything's wired up with this I/O link master. That's heavy duty. Everything's connected through this Ethernet cable to an edge gateway that runs a logic that collects the data, transforms it, and then sends it end-to-end encrypted directly to the cloud. All of this is installed usually by the maintenance teams or field engineers, configured remotely. So your solution architects, they don't have to sit with the camping chair next to the machine. They just let everything be wired up. There's a QR code on the side. If you scan that, you get the serial number. And with that serial number, I'm going to take you to our screen sharing where we show how the assets are connected in real time. So once you log into the CloudRail service, what you're seeing here is an overview of all connected edge gateways that can be in remote locations across the globe. You just put in the serial number that we got from the side of the gateway, enter a name and description, and the device is automatically connected to this fleet management. You don't need to install anything on the device, you don't need to set up anything, it's automatically connected. The only thing you need to do before connecting to your IT asset, enter your credentials. In that case, in case of AWS, those are access keys and certificates. We have a huge documentation how to do this. And once you entered your credentials, we're ready to go. So you select your asset, click on your connection, choose between connecting OPC UA for newer machines or directly connect sensors. And what's special is we automatically detect the I/O link master that is connected to the gateway and all the wired sensors on the respective ports. So you can directly see there is a vibration sensor, photoelectric, or temperature sensor. You don't have to look up and transform the data model manually. It's all automatically working, and that for more than 12,000 sensors. We're going for vibration now. In the next step, choose between read and write mode. Assign a frequency like once per second. And in the last step, select where we want to send the data to. We support services from AWS like IoT Core, Greengrass, Sitewise, but also Azure IoT Hub, IoT Central, and IoT Edge, or local connection through MQTT and HTTPS webhooks. Let's go for Sitewise now. We select the entered credentials, assign an asset path, and give the device a name. Click on Create, and now in the back end, the asset model is loaded, transformed to an easily consumable format in your cloud service, and connected end-to-end to your cloud account. So there's no data in our CloudRail service, all the data is flowing directly to your account. Here we see a quick overview of the data model that we create, and you can see the data is automatically transformed. You get temperature in degrees Celsius, degree Fahrenheit. So this is data you can immediately use for your smart factory use case. If we jump to Sitewise now, refresh the page, you can see sensor is here. Sitewise automatically creates first dashboards. And to show you that it's not a made-up video, we look at the impact value and just give the system a small punch here. And as you see on the dashboard, we have a peak in the measured vibration values. With this system, you can really retrofit an industrial machine in about 15 minutes, get first data, and start with your smart factory project. As we've seen in the small demonstration, the system is easy to use. You can connect your assets very fast to AWS, to Microsoft Azure and other cloud services, and use the data there for 3D digital twins, Gen AI integration, or OEE dashboards in a format that you don't have to transform or manually edit, but you can immediately use the data points in the whole cloud ecosystem or on-premise server. Belden Data Software Applications also supports network insights, transformation of PLC protocols, and everything you need to connect all different types of OT assets to IT endpoints. With that being said, Belden is your one-stop shop for getting data from all different types of machines, robots, and factory systems, and send it to wherever you need it and in the format you need it.